Welcome back to Mud and Rust Workshop. We're going to be doing one of our simplest repairs on our saltwater pool system. We have a Jandy system here at Mud and Rust, and we're going to be replacing the salt cell today. We do have a Jandy system, Jandy salt cell. Periodically, about once every 3 years or so, we end up having to replace this cell just due to corrosion and deterioration in the plates that are inside it, and I'll show you those here in just a minute. Our error code on our Jandy PLC1400, or our Aqualink, is actually where the code itself is a 125, which is a clean salt cell code. We've obviously already gone through that. I've had to do this 2 or 3 times since we've owned the home, and typically it's going to mean salt cell replacement, which is what we're going to do today. You may get some different codes. Ours, in this case anyway, this time, happened to be a 125 displayed on the Aqualink. Here you can see our old cell. You can see where the power comes to the prongs. And then here we have our new replacement. We've already got our dielectric grease on here. This is the PLC1400. We'll be replacing this unit, and it is really simple to replace. You just basically unscrew it at both ends, take the wire off, and take the sensor off the back, replace it, and hook it back up. It's that simple. The first thing we'll do, obviously, take it apart. Of course, anytime you do any kind of pool work, you want to make sure that you have your power disconnected, but these simply pull off. You can see here that may be part of our problem. The prongs actually broke off. This part should not come off, so we'll go ahead and get it off there before we move on. Alright, you can see here we have a ton of corrosion on this metal section of the cable where that middle prong was. We're going to try it, see if it's okay. If not, we may end up replacing that as well, but we're going to continue pulling it off. Alright, so if you can look real close, this is the old unit. You can see some deterioration in the plates and where the pins come down. See where they're completely gone. And then on the new unit, you can see where everything's still there. And what that does is it keeps the charge from getting into the water and turning the salt into chlorine. And we are back in business. Got our new unit in. We'll be taking our salt and turning it into chlorine at any time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like our content, and we'll be happy to bring you more information.